Hello everyone and welcome back to AACC Fashion. Today I want to show you how to embellish your berets. If you have beret like these and you want to embellish with accessories, you can use your purse. So today I'll be using this accessory. You can arrange it anyhow you like it on the beret, and then we'll be making use of our glue gun. Candlestick is already there. That's how to attach it from the rear this way. So, and then I've plugged it to the power source. This is how to use it off, on. Okay. So then when you want to stand it, there is something here you would use to put it on, stand it like this. And it's good that you get a piece of personal cloth or something, so that when the glue gets heated and comes out here when it's on, it won't fall on your working surface. Okay, so quickly let me show you how to do this. You can do it your own way. I'll be using this is an accessory. You can arrange it anyhow, but for this tutorial I'll just put it on one side of the beret, not on the whole surface. This way. Okay, this is 5. I want it to be okay. So this is how to do it. Just apply your heated glue here at the back, then place wherever you want it. Apply a little pressure and allow it to glue. Okay, so you continue. You apply this like I've done to the first two. You just apply to come to the back this way. So what I later did was to arrange what I want here. I already put them in place where I want it to be. So it's just to remove and put it back, apply a little pressure. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell to see more videos, so that you can benefit from more resourceful content coming up on this channel. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to also follow us on all our social media pages. From AACC Fashion once again. See you in my next video.